uMakgotlwe waboshwa ngoNhlaba emva kokuvela ekhomishanini kaMadlanga. Usolwa ngokuphazamisa ubufakazi obuthinta amanye amacala okubulala yowaphenya. Inkantolo ithe icala abhekane nalo alibandakanya udlame futhi akakaze asabise ufakazi. Kanti-ke ungumuntu osebenzisane nomthetho kusukela liqalile uphenyo wakhululwa ngebheyili.
The court is satisfied that the applicant has discharged the onus resting upon him. Accordingly, the applicant is entitled to be released on bail pending the finalization of this matter.
Umshushisi uqinisekisile ukuthi bazobe sebeliphothulile uphenyo lwabo emasontweni ezayo bese-ke kuyaqala ukuqulwa kwecala. I-NPA igculisekile ngembandela yebheyili enikwe umsolwa.
We note the ruling of the court to grant the accused bail. He was released on 15,000 rand bail with stringent conditions that he should not access his workplace and he should hand over his passport, and that when he goes to the police station, he should first inform the investigating officer.
Icala lizobuyela enkantolo mhla zingama-20 kuNcwaba.